Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore billing disputes with EVgo customer support, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant information regarding your billing dispute with EVgo. Locate your account details, including your account number and the email associated with your account. Make sure to have records of the specific charges you are disputing, including dates and amounts. Visit the EVgo website and navigate to the customer support section. Look for contact options, which may include phone numbers, emails, and live chat service. Choose the method of communication that suits you best for discussing your billing issue. If you prefer to call, note the customer support hours for the best chance of speaking to a representative. When you reach out, clearly explain that you have a billing dispute to discuss. Provide the representative with your account number and any necessary details about the charges in question. Be concise and factual about the issue, focusing on what you believe to be incorrect. Listen carefully to the representative's responses and take notes on any information they provide. If additional documentation is required, ask for clarification on what to submit. Inquire about the timeline for resolving your dispute, so you know what to expect moving forward. If you prefer writing, draft a clear email outlining your dispute. Include your account details, a summary of the issue, and any supporting documentation. Send your email to the designated customer support address provided on the EVgo website. Follow up if you do not receive a timely response, either via email or phone. Keep a record of all your communications for future reference. Be patient, as billing disputes can take time to resolve. Continue to monitor your account for updates or changes regarding your dispute. If the issue remains unresolved, consider escalating your complaint within EVgo's customer service structure. Remain polite and professional, as this often leads to better outcomes. Familiarize yourself with consumer protection rights in case further escalation is necessary. Once the dispute is resolved, review your billing statement for accuracy. Ensure that any agreed-upon adjustments have been applied to your account. Conclude your process by maintaining an ongoing dialogue with EVgo for any future concerns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.